Bought a helmet from Nextex. Ta-da! I hope you can see. It's Nextex. Very nice. Very fashionable. It looks like a baseball cap, but it's very quite sturdy. With an ICC sticker. Very nice foam inside. Adjustable belt. Linen and cloth type chin support with nice foam. Very nice. And it fits snugly. See? Well protected. And most especially, this sun protector is very adequate. Now I will not have sunburn on my cheeks as well as my forehead. That's what I have most of the time when I do long travel with regular helmets. Now I'm very well protected against the sun. Thank you.